In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Huntington Bank online account in 2025 using a step-by-step guide. Whether you're using a desktop or a laptop, the process remains straightforward, and I'll guide you through each stage, ensuring you access your account without any hiccups. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, navigate to the official website of Huntington Bank. You can do this by typing their web address into the address bar, ensuring you're heading to the legitimate site to keep your information secure. Once on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Log In. Go ahead and click on this, and it will direct you to the login page of the bank. On this page, you'll notice two fields where you need to input your details. These are your username or customer ID and your password. Begin by entering your username or customer ID into the first field. This information is essential because it identifies who you are within the bank's system. Take care to type this information accurately to avoid any login errors. Following this, you'll need to enter your password in the next field. It's crucial to enter the correct password as it protects your account from unauthorized access. Remember, passwords are usually case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock is off unless needed. After you've entered both your username or customer ID and your password, you'll click the Login button just below these fields. Now, for added security, Huntington Bank may prompt you to complete an additional verification step. If the bank asks, you will need to enter a one-time security code. This code is typically sent instantly to your registered phone number or email address. So keep your phone handy or check your email inbox or spam folder if you don't see it right away. Simply enter this code into the field provided and submit. And just like that, you should now be fully logged into your online banking account. From here, you can manage your finances, review statements, make transfers, and more, all from the comfort of your home. If you follow these steps, your login process should go smoothly. Always ensure you log out once you've finished your banking tasks, especially if you're on a shared or public computer. And there you have it. Logging into your Hunting Bank account online is just that simple. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other how-to videos for more helpful tips.